welcome to the Looney Balloony Learning Center. As always, I'm Tess, and today I'm here with a Tess's tip for you. On this one, we are going to talk about the U-Glu Dashes. We all know my favorite are the Gemar brand of the U-Glu Dashes. They are absolutely fabulous, but the one thing I hear more than anything is I struggle with getting the paper backing off of them. I've got a tip for you, okay? So, just going to blow it. This works on latex as well as foils. The same theory applies. So all you do is you take one of your U-Glu Dashes, place it wherever you want it to go. And say you were going to come with another balloon and put it on top, but you can't, for the life of you, get the backing off. First and foremost, it has a lip, okay? Look to see if you can identify the lip to try and pull it off. If that doesn't work, because sometimes it doesn't, I'll fully agree with all of y'all out there. The trick is to take and pinch your balloon with the U-Glu Dash in the middle, and it creates a crease in the backing. So you can see it there. And then what that crease does is it gives it a hard but easy way to pull that paper right off. All right, so just fold it, pinch the balloon to make a crease in the paper, and then it should come right off for you. I hope this helps on your journey of ballooning it yourself. Bye for now.